guys, we're back out here for round 2 with the JME. I'm going to start some video. You see how when it takes off, it comes up, you know, like 3 feet and does this 360. So I don't know, I guess that's part built into the firmware. Okay, I see with the punch out how this works now, guys. Okay, when it's low like this, it goes up slow. Okay? It'll go up slow until it gets to a certain height, which is going to be, let's see. Yeah, okay. This thing, I don't see on here anywhere where it shows you your height. It shows you your distance. Oh, I see it. It's over here on a different, it's not right next to them like on the DJI ones. The height is off to the side and the distance is on the top bar. Okay, so what it does is it gets up to a certain height, I'll say like 10 meters or about 8 meters, and then it'll start going fast. Like that. So that's pretty, I guess that's a safety thing, you know. It doesn't go up, you know, real fast when it's at a low altitude. It waits till it gets up there a little way, 25 feet or so, before it starts doing that kind of stuff, going fast. So well, I was cutting it real close on that. I was doing another one of them surrounding things. I almost had to abort that because I was getting a little too close for comfort there. Oh boy. So we're gonna exit that. Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to do because they make you get your little, your little license on this thing. You have to do certain things. You have to perform these tasks. So it said I haven't done a return to home yet, which we're going to try here in a couple of seconds. I'm just going to take it out there a little ways more. Okay, so that's about 300 and something feet. So let's try to return to home. Well, it's pretty high up there, guys. I got to back up this way because I guess it was directly right above me because I can't even. It comes down awfully slow on the return to home, but we'll see how close it gets. It looks like it's a little bit off to me. I gotta steer it off of the trees a little bit. It was coming down a little off of the mark there. Boy, it comes down awfully slow on the return to home. But it works. I mean, you know, I think it was just going to be a little bit. I think it was going to come down probably right on that tree. Okay, let me get the grass a little wet, but it's no big deal. Okay, so I did the return to home. It was a little bit off, but I didn't do a calibration before I took off, okay? And it always says to do that every time, but I didn't because I'm in the same spot I was in the other day, so I didn't bother to do that. So my calculation was it was going to come down probably about right here, right in this damn pine tree. So that's why I moved it. That's why I moved it a little bit, because I didn't want it to do that. So it flies good, man. Flies good. Yeah, I don't got a problem with this at all. Flies good. Okay, I still got 56% battery, and it's been going, this part of the video has been like 10 minutes. And I had it a couple minutes going before, so the flight time on this thing is going to be real good. You know, I'm not going to sit here and fly the whole flight time right now. It's got 16 satellites. But the quad is nice, guys. I got to tell you, the quad is nice. The battery life on it is really good. Okay, so this video's been going for almost 15 minutes. I still got 35% of the battery, or 34%. So, yeah. It's okay. I just don't like the way the does that. The way it does that bopping around, you know. But that's just the way it is. You know, nothing I can do about it. Alright. I stopped that. Let me shut off this baby. Let me check those motors. It's been flying for 16 minutes straight. Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. I told you I'm never going to mess around with those voice controls, so that's not going to be even an issue. Okay? I'm not even going there. I am going to fly the Bebop 2 for a couple of minutes, so we're going to dig that out. Alright, boys, I'll talk to you later.